The Kia navigation system helps you find locations, points of interest, destinations, and more. Here's a quick overview of the Kia navigation features. From the infotainment system home screen, press the Map widget. This takes you to a full-size map. From here, press the Search button and search for a destination by name, address, or phone number. On the map screen, press the compass icon to refine the map layout. You can change the map to display north up, heading up, or heading up 3-dimension. You can adjust the navigation audio volume level.
Guidance is at this volume. Guidance will be at this volume.
Selecting navigation volume priority lowers the volume during navigation guidance. You can also turn off the navigation audio. The scale feature allows you to zoom in or out. While the map scale can be set to automatic or manual. You can search for a desired destination. Select the destination and press Route. You can change the route options. On the Route Options screen, select the desired route and press Start Guidance. You can also edit the route and add stops. Click the route and press Add Stop. After you add a stop, press Route. You can also view traffic. On the map screen, press the menu icon, then display traffic info, and click Traffic for more details. For additional information, refer to your owner's manual. You can also go to the Kia Features and Functions Videos YouTube channel or your Kia Features and Functions Quick Reference Guide. Thanks for watching!